the start of a new year, and I'm guessing that you have some big goals that you want to achieve this year. I know I do. Maybe this will be the year where you finally get into a good exercise routine, or you start that gratitude journal. But most importantly, I hope that this will be the year that you take control of your finances. The beginning of the year is a great time to think about long-term financial goals that you want to achieve, like how you'll diversify your investments or saving for your kids' college education. But it's also a great time to make some quick financial changes that can help set you up for long-term financial success. Hey, I'm Lorianne, I'm co-CEO of Dow Janes, and today I'm going to give you 7 financial wins that you can do in 15 minutes or less and set yourself up for financial success this year and far beyond. But first, if you want more tips on how to make the most of your money, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We put out new personal finance videos every Monday, and you don't want to miss them. Here are 7 quick financial wins. Number 1, transfer money to a high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account functions like a regular savings account, but offers a much higher rate of interest, which helps your money grow faster. This is especially important in today's environment. You can actually get a pretty decent return on the money in your high-yield interest savings account. This helps you beat inflation and it preserves your purchasing power. So if you're just leaving your money in a regular checking account, your money is actually going down in value because inflation is going up so much faster than your money is earning interest. So these are some of the highest yield savings account returns we have seen in decades. High yield savings accounts are also known for their safety and their liquidity because they are usually insured by the FDIC or some equivalent in other countries up to a certain limit, making it a really low risk place to keep your money. They allow you to withdraw your funds whenever you need, and they're a great place to hold your emergency fund or any saving that you're doing for short to medium term goals. And they're really convenient to manage. There's usually online or mobile access. It makes it super easy to track your savings and set up automated transfers so that you can be making consistent contributions to your savings account. If you want some tips on how to find the best high-yield savings accounts and our recommendations, we've got a video on that, which I will link to in the description down below. Number 2, while you are already transferring your money, you might as well set up automatic savings. Many banks allow you to set up automatic transfers from your checking account into a high-yield savings account. So setting aside a percentage of your paycheck to automatically move into your savings account so that you can give your savings a boost without having to do any extra work is awesome. It's actually the biggest secret to saving. Just do it first. Take the money off the table before you even have a chance to spend it. Setting up automatic saving has several advantages. It promotes financial discipline. By ensuring a portion of your income is consistently saved before you have a chance to spend it impulsively, it really helps you reach your financial goals much more effectively. It reduces the temptation to skip or delay a savings contribution. It removes the need for willpower to move money into savings. It just goes there and happens for you automatically, ensuring that you stay on track. Setting up automatic savings can be a stress-free way to build up an emergency fund, save for long-term goals, or even invest for the future as it becomes a regular automated habit. It can really simplify your financial life by automating the process and potentially help you earn even more through compound interest if you're moving those automatic savings into a high-yield savings account. Finally, it offers peace of mind by knowing that you are proactively working towards your financial objectives without having to think about it all the time. And I don't know about you, but I have enough to think about. Bump up your retirement contributions. If you can, max out your retirement contributions. The more you save right now, the more time your money has to grow, and the less you'll have to worry when you reach retirement age. Maxing out your retirement contributions offers a lot of different advantages. It enables you to take full advantage of tax advantage retirement accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs, which will help you reduce your current tax liability, meaning the amount of tax you pay right now. And it allows your investments to grow in a tax-free environment until retirement. Over time, this can lead to substantial savings and increased wealth where the money is compounding without you having to pay taxes on those gains. It provides financial security for you in your later years. Ensuring that you have a comfortable and worry-free retirement is something that we should all be working towards. By contributing the maximum allowed, you're more likely to achieve your retirement goals and maintain your standard of living. Make it a goal this year to have present you take care of future you so that your financial life gets easier and easier over time. Maxing out your contributions demonstrates discipline and a long-term financial commitment, instilling a savings mindset and helping you to build a significant nest egg. This also takes advantage of the power of compound interest as your investments have more time to grow and accumulate returns. And one of the biggest factors in how much money you will have upon retirement is how long has your money been invested in growing. Maximizing retirement contributions is a smart strategy for securing your financial future and enjoying the benefits of a well-funded retirement. All right, if you're enjoying this video so far, please give me a good old thumbs up. It's an easy way to support us so we can continue to make free content for you. Cancel a monthly expense. Maybe 2 years ago, last New Year's, you signed up for a gym membership that you still haven't used. Or maybe you've got a subscription to Netflix and Hulu, but you really only watch Netflix. Find a monthly expense that isn't serving you anymore and cancel it. This is going to give you more money to spend on things that bring true value in your life or more money to put into savings or paying off debt so you achieve your financial goals faster. Canceling an automated expense is a little bit like setting up automated savings, except right now there's automatically money going out of your life every single month. And if you're not using the service or the value that comes from what that money's supposed to provide, cancel it. It's like automatically saving more money every month. Roll over your old 401ks. Do you have a 401k from a job that you left? You can roll over an old 401k into an individual retirement account, an IRA, or a new employer's retirement plan. And doing this offers several advantages. First and foremost, it provides greater control and flexibility over your retirement savings. With an IRA, you have a wider range of investment options, enabling you to diversify your portfolio to suit your specific financial goals and risk tolerance, and likely allowing you to invest in ways that will reduce the fees that you were paying inside of your old 401k. Furthermore, a rollover just simplifies your life. This allows you to consolidate multiple accounts into one, making it easier to manage and monitor and track your investments. It can also potentially lower fees because some 401k plans may have higher administrative costs. By properly doing a rollover, you will avoid any early withdrawal penalties and maintain the tax-deferred status of your retirement savings. Overall, a 401k rollover empowers you to take charge of your retirement planning and optimize your investment strategy while still maintaining the tax benefits of using a tax-advantaged retirement account. Capitalize is a company that provides a free and easy way to find old retirement accounts and consolidate them into one easy-to-manage account. It doesn't cost anything, and if you want to learn more, we have a step-by-step tutorial for how to use Capitalize, which I will link to in the description. Number 6, pay your credit card bill, even if it's not due yet. Your credit utilization, aka the amount of credit that you are using compared to the amount of credit that you have available to you, is the second biggest factor in determining your credit score. You want to keep that credit card utilization nice and low, ideally below 30% at all times. So when you pay your credit card off throughout the month, you can instantly boost your credit score and save money on future interest payments. If you want more tips on how to boost your credit score, we got a lot of them. I will link to that video in the description below as well. All right, final tip, number 7, plan your weekly money ritual. If you've been around the channel, you have definitely heard us talk about weekly money rituals. But if you don't know what that is, your weekly money ritual is a cornerstone habit of your financial success. It's an hour that you set aside every single week to work on your finances. This could mean reviewing credit card statements, budgeting for an upcoming trip, or reallocating your investment portfolio. If you don't already have an established weekly money ritual, then take a few minutes to decide when and where you can commit to going over your finances on a regular basis every single week, and brainstorm a few ways to make it enjoyable. You can also take that time and go watch our video on exactly how to set up a weekly money ritual that you love And you can watch Britt, my co-CEO, go through her own weekly money ritual. So you get to see how she makes it the highlight of her week and what she does during it. Links to both of those videos will be down below. All right, I challenge you to spend 15 minutes implementing just one of these tips and get a good start off for your new year and enjoy the rewards for years to come. Let me know in the comments down below which of these 15-minute tasks you are going to take on first. And if you want our proven system for building wealth and taking control of your money, I will leave a link to our free masterclass in the description as well. Thanks.